Hey everyone, I am here today to unbox the July 2020 Pup Mom box, and we have a special guest who is Rocky, and he is my miniature pincer Chihuahua baby. So he loves when Pup Mom Crate comes every month because he knows that he gets things. So like always, they always like when you can share the love. So they like when you can take a picture and tag them on Instagram because they can do monthly giveaways too. I don't know, you found something in there. I think you found the toy. So you always get a leaflet that tells you exactly what is in here for the month. So let's see. This one looks like it's for Mom. And let's see what the leaflet says. It is a sponge and it exfoliates and cleanses your skin. So that's for Mom. And then this is also for Mom. It is a little 4th of July bow for your hair. It's like a hair tie. So that's actually cute. So we've got that. And then let's see. I know this is probably what Rocky's going for because he always wants the toys. So let's see what he says about this. This is a steel dog toy. Yeah. Is it for Rocky? There you go. There you go. I gotta take your tag off, but you're gonna have to wait a second till I can get the tag off. And then we've got pig ear chew for dogs, bacon and cheddar. So we've got that. That is for the doggies. And then we've got Hide Zero, which is no rawhide. That's awesome because I don't like rawhides. They're not good for dogs. Then we've got Yappers Treat Company, which is dehydrated chicken breast. Ooh, the dogs are gonna love that. And then this is, I believe it's a bone. You want that, baby? You want that? Rocky's so precious. He loves to get this box every single month. You want this, baby? You want to take it right now? Okay. Let's see what that is. It is a nylon chew toy. And then our last thing is actually for Mom, and it is a body butter. Ooh, it's vanilla body butter. So what we always do every single month, we love Pup Mom Crate. Whenever we get them, we know that it's going to be great full-size products. There's no more in there. See, he even loves it. He waits to see if there's anything else in the box. There's nothing else in there, honey. So every month we get this box, and we do have 3 dogs, but Rocky's usually the one that is trying to get into everything because he knows when this box comes, he's already ready to go. So I hope you guys love it. Go check them out at pupmomcrate.com, and just know that Rocky definitely gives his signature of approval.